In an exclusive interview Monday, Senator Manny Villar's former lawyer, Restituto Mendoza, said that while he was employed by Villar, he witnessed bribery and other illegal acts committed in order to win land disputes that the company was involved in.
I never intended my complaint to be used for political purposes. But then I filed this case for the purpose of seeking justice.
Today, Villar's camp struck back.
Contrary sa gusto niyang ipalabas sa kanyang interview, na ito ay tungkol sa konsensya, na tungkol ito sa prinsipyo, hindi yo, tungkol po ito sa pera at politika.
At a press conference, Attorney Nalen Galang again denied that Villar companies were doing anything illegal. And to further prove her point, she said that she would file a disbarment case against Mendoza.
Disbarment complaint this Friday, in addition to some other criminal complaints.
Senator Villar himself today denied Mendoza's accusations and said all of this was a tactic of his political enemies.
Ayan po, sunod-sunod na yan. Hanggang May 9 na yan. Ayaw nilang tigilan dahil sa ayaw nila na mapunta ang issue sa kakayahan ng mga kandidato.
Mendoza was scheduled to hold a press conference on Thursday, supposedly to detail accusations against Villar. But his lawyer says the press conference has been postponed.
Attorney Mendoza knew of the risk of disbarment when he spoke to you.
Yes, he told me that he had expected someone from the Villar camp to file a disbarment case against him. Attorney Nalen Galang was saying that, I asked what would be the charge for disbarment. She said, violating lawyer-client privilege. And so he was well aware of the dangers of doing that, which is why he was trying to be very careful during the interview. But still, I don't think this is going to be a surprise to them. The surprise was that he was expected to hold a press conference tomorrow to talk a lot about the allegations. They've postponed that, and they don't know when they're going to have the press conference. But it's not pushing through tomorrow.
And the NP camp anticipated this as well?
I think so, because remember that the case had been filed. This stems from a illegal dismissal case filed by Mendoza sometime in 2009.
And it's pending still at the National Labor Relations Commission?
It's still pending, and so they knew that this was somewhere, this was out there somewhere. They knew it, and they felt it was just a matter of time before this had surfaced somehow, given the political climate this election season. So it's not a surprise to the Villar camp that this would happen. I bet they're probably even surprised that it took this long for it to happen, because they thought that he would come out much earlier.
All right, but what about the meat of his allegations?
Well, that's something that needs to be looked into. He's filed a long, in his case, there's a lot of specific allegations there that he goes into. And that's what's going to do. I mean, that's the interest for the greater public. It's not whether he gets his job back or gets compensated. It's whether he can substantiate the allegations.
All right.
Up next on the rundown, talk